Linking your bank account to Tresorit can enhance your experience by allowing for seamless payments and subscriptions. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Log into your Tresorit account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Tresorit website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Payment Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under Account Management options. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Payment Settings, find the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are entered accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Tresorit. This will facilitate easier management of your subscriptions and payments.